Afraid. When someone is afraid, they feel fear. The man was afraid of what he saw. Agree. To agree is to say yes, or to think the same way. All of the board members agree with the new proposal. Angry. When someone is angry, they may want to speak loudly or fight. He didn't do his homework, so his mother is angry. Arrive. To arrive is to get to or reach some place. The plane was set to arrive by noon but is running several minutes behind schedule. Attack. To attack is to try to fight or to hurt. Our army plans to attack enemy's advanced positions. Bottom. The bottom is the lowest part. The bottom of my shoe has a hole in it. Clever. When someone is clever, they can solve a hard puzzle or problem. Amy is a clever student. Cruel. When someone is cruel, they do bad things to hurt others. His treatment to the employees was cruel. Finally. If something happens finally, it happens after a long time or at the end. The law was finally passed in March 2022. Hide. To hide is to try not to let others see you. John tried to hide himself behind a tree. Hunt. To hunt is to look for or search for an animal to kill. Did you ever hunt with your father? Lot. A lot means a large number or amount of people, animals, things, etc. There are a lot of containers at the port. Middle. The middle of something is the center or halfway point. Please stand in the middle of the field. Moment. A moment is a second or a very short time. She pondered for a moment before replying. Pleased. When someone is pleased, they are happy. She was very pleased with her exam results. Promise. To promise is to say you will do something for sure. I promise I won't go into the woods alone again. Reply. To give an answer or say back to someone. My letter received a swift reply. Safe. When a person is safe, they are not in danger. Face masks keep you safe from allergy. Trick. A trick is something you do to fool another person. The trick had been carried out admirably. Well. You use well to say that something was done in a good way. He spoke so well that everybody was pleased. Worse. If something is worse, it is of poorer quality than another thing. It was the worst news I could hear.